Hi, my name's Marni Birchall. I am ZipWorld's social media manager, and today we're here at ZipWorld Penryn Quarry, but I usually work at ZipWorld Base Camp in Llanrwst. To get this job as social media manager, actually didn't ever have any formal training in it. I was just right place, right time really. I was previously working as a hotel manager and I put myself forward to do their Instagram, and it kind of just snowballed from there. I saw this job come up and knew that I really enjoyed that sort of creative side of what I was doing in the hotel. So went for the interview and here I am. So an average day of work for me varies a lot. Sometimes I'll just be in the office doing more strategy-based stuff, scheduling content, creating content, and I do a lot of proofreading and copywriting day to day as well. But then other days I'll be out on ZipWorld sites. There's 7 of them in total, and I'll either be sort of hosting content creators or TV shows and gathering content. A career highlight for me, there's been a few. It's always nice to sort of meet celebrities and host them, but more recently I did a campaign for our new Aero Explorer adventure, and that reached over 70 million organic views, so I'm really proud of that, so that's definitely a career highlight. I'd say the top 3 skills to do my job is definitely creativity, for one. I think you have to have a creative mind and kind of be able to think outside the box. Definitely good communication skills. You need to be able to speak to the wider team about what you're doing all day, every day really, make sure that you're all on the same page. And maybe not necessarily a skill, but I do think you have to be quite reactive and think on the spot. Especially with my job, trends come and go so quickly, you kind of need to be able to adapt to them and think about how you can sort of tailor what you're doing to a new trend. My favourite thing about doing my job in North Wales is that it's a really lovely location to work. We're in the middle of the mountains, so it kind of lends itself to really good content, and I get to work in this every day. I think advice that I'd give to someone generally looking to work in the tourism industry in the area is just to be really personable. There's lots of people that come here and visit, and I think it's just about being able to give everybody in the area a warm welcome and just be proud of the area that we're in.